Hi everybody, Claire here from Buttercup Creations Art. So here we go, we've got a flip through this Friday, and it's a flip through of two journals. A bit of a mouthful. So yes, I've done two journals. I am been waiting desperately for fabric to come for a custom order, and it's been horrendous the first lot that came. When you ask for one colour and it comes a different colour, so I've had to reorder. So whilst waiting for that, I made two of these. So they're already on my Etsy shop. So we've got one that's sunflower and one for pansies. So we're just going to go through each one. So it's not all sunflowers in these and all pansies in the other. It's a mixture of flowers that you get in the garden in the summertime and springtime, obviously. So let me just open this one up. So it's a load of slow stitched and done with a little bit of needlework, and it is single signatures in both. So let me just do this. I don't know what my grandson, I've got my grandson here, so he's had my tape measure, he's had all my printing paper. So it's like loads of it. It's like it's all he's been doing. He's completely hogged my desk, so I've had to go down on the kitchen table and make these. Right, so I'll use this ruler because I don't use this for anything else, and we'll do the measurements. So it is wrong way around, Claire. So they are 23 centimetres high by 14.5 centimetres wide. So quite a nice big size. So as you can see, I have been doing a little bit of needlework here, a couple of sunflowers, some bullion stitches there. We've got some beads going up through the vine there. And then we have a couple of little gems inside those flowers and some little French knots. And then we'll turn over to the side and we've got the big word sunflower stitched in there, and then some mix of fabrics there. And then all along there is we've got some tags and we've got different fabrics as well. Right, so we'll pop on in as you do. So both of them have both got a bookmark as well to go with it. So here we go. On the first bit is we've got a little, this is from an old catalogue. It's a reproduction catalogue of a Victorian gardening catalogue. So I just made a little pocket out of that. Then we have a little side pocket. And we'll flip out. We have a little envelope going on there, and then this is the pocket where the letter from me goes. And then we have a tag there, a journaling card. And then one there, nice little tuck going on. We have a belly band. Just in there. Some vintage music paper, and then we've got a little envelope there. And this is more of that catalogue going on. And now, hasn't she got the most cutest smile? I know it's an illustration, but it's beautiful. So we have a little belly band there, and then opens out, and we have a little pocket here. And then the other side is these here with little tucks, and then a bigger tuck there. So a bit of our lace and plenty of writing paper. Another little pocket there. And then we have a little pocket up here as well. And then this is one of those little flip down envelopes. Oh, she says. Then we have that there. Some writing paper. There's the other part of catalogue. One of our tabs. Another journaling card. says, sit in there please. Butterflies. And this is from an old book, and it's the plants under a microscope. So we have a little pocket there, and then one here. One of our little flip out pockets there. And then this one is coating with eggs. So this is how to do preparation and how to fillet a fish. I thought I wanted to add something a little bit extra in there. So kangaroo, crab, dressed crab, crawfish, crayfish, deviled crab. And then pocket there again. Then another one that flips out, and we have a pocket up here and a belly band there. And then this is part of the front cover of a book. And then our two little tags there. And then this is a giant envelope. Put into there. It says, sit. Then another little pocket there. One there. For a little bit of doily. Belly band there. Little tuck here. And then another one there. And then the same again here. So we've got our pocket up there. Then this flips up and you've got a pocket there. Flips out, you've got a belly band there with a little envelope there for something nice. And then obviously the pocket in the back there. So that's that one, guys. So that's our sunflower. I'm going to press pause and get the next one ready. So here we go. So same little closure with a little bit of lace trim there with a gingham ribbon, and then we've got the same again. So we've got our little bullions there, some pansies there, and then some little beads up through there, a few little French knots there, and then some beads there. Then we go on to the side and you've got pansies, and then some more fabric there, and then lots of lace frills. So go on into this one. So this is, we have a top pocket there, and then a little back pocket there, and then this is where the letter goes from me. So we have a side pocket there with a little cluster going on, and then we have some bits in there, so you can see pansy papers. Then we have a pocket here and a pocket there. Little tuck right in spot there, and the same again there. And we have a tuck here. So it's similar in stuff inside, but we've just got little different bits that are going on there. Oh, that's hang on there. So you have a little flip out pocket there and one there, and then this is the tuck there. Why have I got nothing in there? It's all downstairs, so I'll have to get something to put in that little tuck. Then we have a pansy tuck there with a little journaling card in. Ooh, what's going on here? Okay. So we have a little flip out pocket there with a tuck and a little cluster there again, and the same again that side, and I forgot to put something in that pocket as well. I've got grandson brain. So we have a belly band there. I will get some goodies to put in this. And then we have a little pocket there. Not used to having children around. Little tiny pocket there. And as you see, the little bookmark that does go all the way through. And then we've got butterflies. And another little belly band there. So lots of pretty papers going on. And another little pocket there. Pretty little wildflowers on. Another little cluster there going on. Then we have another pocket here. Another two little pockets, and then a tuck there. There. Another little pocket. And a pocket in the back there. And then we have our pocket there, and the same again here. So we've got a pocket there, and then we have a pocket there and a pocket in the back there. So there you go, guys. So there's that one. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to leave that undone because I'm going to go and get some goodies for it. I thought I filled it all. Right, so I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy grafting, everyone. And thank you for joining me on this flip through. Take care. Bye.